Hey guys, how are you? My name is Rehmani and today's topic is the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a galaxy that contains our solar system and is one of billion of galaxies in the universe. Here are some key aspects of the Milky Way structure's shape. In the Milky Way is a brand spiral galaxy characterized by a central bar-shaped structures composed of stars surrounded by spiral arms that extend outward. The galaxy is roughly disc shaped. Bulge, the central bulge, is a dense regions of star gas and dust, primarily consisting of duller older stars. The discussion is the change in the heritable traits of biological populations over successive generations. It explains how a species adopted to the cooled this plasma eventually the first galaxy formed within this dark matter. Dark matter under gravity. This process LED extreme mobile of to understand how life might survive in harsh environments elsewhere in the universe. Examining what make a planet or moon capable of supporting life, including the presence of liquid water and essential of life for life. Water is a solvent that facilitates transit method. The most successful method of detecting exoplanets involves observing a star's brightness. If a planet passes in front or of transits the star from our point of view, it causes a slightly dip in the star's brightness. By measuring the dips, astronomers can infer the presence of a planet, its size, and its orbital periods. This technique measures changes in the star's spectrums caused by the gravitational pulls of an orbiting planet, which causes the stars of wobble. This method helps determine the planet mass and its orbit. So challenging due to the brightness of stars compared to planets, the universe expansions or scatter light. This makes it completely invisible to current instruments that detect light and other forms. The event horizon is defined by the escape velocity, which is the speed needed to break free from the gravitational pull of a massive object or for a hole. This speed exceeds the speed of light, which means that not even light can escape once it passes this boundary. Schwarzschild radius for a non-rotating, so practically symmetric non-rotating, especially Switzerland. The event horizon is a perfect sphere with a radius called Schwarzschild radius. This captured radius on the mass of hole. The more massive an hole, the larger event horizon. If the hole rotating in event horizon is not a simple sphere, but rather an oblated spheroid due to the hole. This types of black holes is known as scared hole. Horizon itself is not directly visible. Its effects can be observed as matter approaches the event horizons. It accelerates and beat up, emitting high energy radiation such as X-ray. This process called acceleration can be detected by telescope, allowing astronomers to infer the presence of hole. According to Einstein theory, the general relativity time slow down near a strong gravitational field as an object approaches the event horizon. Time dilation become extreme to a distance observer. It would appear that the object slows down and never actually crosses the event horizon, while from perspective of the object itself, it would pass through the event horizon normally. The event horizon is crucial in defining the hole's properties and behavior, but it also represents a fundamental limit. Light can escape once it passes this boundary, such what child radius for a non-rotating, so practically symmetric non-rotating, especially Switzerland. The